Are you absolutely sick and tired of your thin, fine hair constantly falling flat, leaving you feeling less than amazing? Do you secretly worry that your current styling routine might actually be making your face look droopier or even emphasize how thin your hair is? And what about those frustrating moments when your hair looks greasy, too stiff, or just plain wrong because of products used incorrectly? If any of this sounds painfully familiar, then you absolutely cannot afford to scroll past this. You're about to discover 5 incredibly powerful styling hacks that will fundamentally transform your thin, fine hair, making it look an astounding 10 times fuller and more flattering than you ever thought possible. This isn't just about superficial fixes, it's about a complete hair revolution that works for any hair length and helps protect your delicate strands from the damage and breakage that plague fine hair. Prepare to unlock the secret to truly beautiful hair that radiates confidence and volume. You won't want to miss a single tip. Our journey to truly voluminous hair begins right after you step out of the shower, focusing on the correct application of products. First and foremost, ensure your hair is thoroughly towel dried to an even dampness, meaning no soaking wet spots or overly dry patches. This crucial step prevents your products from being diluted or distributed unevenly, guaranteeing maximum effectiveness. Before applying anything else, gently detangle your hair by starting at the ends and working your way up. This simple yet vital technique prevents you from pushing knots further into your hair, drastically minimizing breakage, which is a common problem for delicate, thin, fine strands. Next, a heat protectant is absolutely non-negotiable for fragile hair. Spray it generously from the mid-shafts down to the ends, then comb it through to ensure every strand is shielded against potential heat damage during styling. Finally, brace yourself for the most important product, a volumizer. Here's a common mistake. Many people with thin hair are scared to use enough, fearing it will weigh their hair down. But the secret? You probably need more than you think. Apply a significant amount, concentrating the majority of the product directly at the crown, where you typically want the most lift and body. Then, lightly distribute the remainder through the sides. Don't be shy. Embracing a bit more product in these strategic areas is the key to unlocking its full volumizing potential, stopping those "didn't work for me" moments in their tracks. With your hair properly prepped, the next technique is all about mastering your blow dry to maximize volume while diligently minimizing any potential damage. It's incredibly important to understand that your blow drying technique can either inflict unnecessary stress on your hair or carefully protect it. For this essential stage, using a high-performance dryer, like the one from Lifian, can make a significant difference. This innovative dryer offers 4 distinct temperature settings: hot, medium, cool shot, and a clever cycling option that alternates between hot and cold, which is fantastic for minimizing frizz and reducing heat exposure. For daily styling at home, I highly recommend using the medium heat setting. What's impressive about this specific dryer is its ability to dry hair remarkably fast using less heat, which is absolutely vital for safeguarding delicate, fine strands. As an added bonus, it's also notably quieter. As you dry, remember our core objective: to build dramatic volume on top while keeping the sides flatter. Always direct the airflow down the hair shaft, whether you're working on the top, sides, or longer lengths. This encourages smoothness and shine while preventing frizz. Focus on encouraging that much-desired lift at the crown, while gently smoothing the sides to create an intentional, flattering shape. Aim to get your hair about 50% dry in this initial phase, laying down the perfect foundation for the detailed styling to come. Now, we shift our focus to strategically sculpt your hair, creating less volume on the sides and back to visually amplify the lift and fullness on top. For this precise technique, grab your dryer again and make sure to attach the concentrator nozzle. This modifier is absolutely crucial because it directs the airflow exactly where you want it, preventing unwanted frizz and uncontrolled volume. Believe me, this single attachment contributes significantly, accounting for almost half of your stunning final result. Using a round brush, begin by focusing on the side sections of your hair. The goal here isn't to create bouncy curls or significant bend, as that would only add unwanted width and detract from the impressive top volume we're building. Instead, gently pull each section mostly straight down with your round brush, always guiding the airflow down the hair shaft. Even though you're aiming for straightness, the inherent roundness of the brush will still impart a subtle, elegant bend, just the right amount without creating any bulk. Work slowly and methodically, ensuring a smooth, sleek finish on the sides. Repeat this careful process for the back sections, gently pulling the hair downwards to keep it flatter and thereby drawing more attention upwards to your gorgeously voluminous crown. This meticulous attention to the sides and back builds a beautifully balanced foundation that makes your top volume appear even more breathtaking. This next technique is where we truly bring in the wow factor, building incredible volume right on top and achieving precise control for those often frustrating front sections. If your hair tends to flop, separate, or simply refuse to hold a flattering shape around your face, prepare for a true game changer. Instead of just lifting the hair directly away from the scalp, we're going to lift it almost opposite to your natural part. For example, if you typically part your hair on the right, you'll initially style the top section towards the left, really getting underneath the roots with your round brush and dryer. Once lifted and warmed, hit that cool shot button on your Lifian dryer. Its distinctive blue light makes it super obvious, and hold it until the section fully cools and sets. This blast of cold air locks the newfound volume firmly in place, creating lasting lift that truly defies gravity. You'll notice an immediate and dramatic difference when you release it. Your hair instantly appears much fuller due to the deliberate contrast with the flatter sides. For those notoriously tricky front sections or bangs, we'll employ a technique I call non-directional styling. While many instinctively follow their existing part to achieve maximum lift and versatile control, style these front sections as though you're aiming for a very thick, strong bang, even if that's not your desired final look. Take small sections and dry them straight down, then to the left and then to the right, moving them in multiple directions while focusing intently on lifting the roots. This encourages flexibility and body right from the roots up. After styling these sections, simply use your fingers to gently coax them into your desired final shape. This method works wonders, giving you that beautiful, bouncy lift without any stiffness, ensuring your hair holds its flattering form effortlessly throughout the day. The final and most liberating technique for thin, fine hair is to style it predominantly with your hands. It's a very common habit to immediately try to comb hair into a fixed, rigid position or douse it with hairspray, almost as if you're afraid to even touch it once it's styled. However, thin, fine hair often looks its absolute best when it's allowed to be played with. The robust foundation we've meticulously built enables you to be playful and bold with your styling. Don't be afraid to run your hands through your hair, even getting a little crazy, to deliberately loosen everything up. This action helps break up any potential stiffness from the blow dry and genuinely encourages natural movement and beautiful texture. After this initial messing up, gently use your fingers to guide your hair back into your desired shape. For instance, if you prefer a side part, finger comb it back, letting some carefully chosen pieces fall naturally around your face. You will quickly discover that the more you play with your hair, consciously breaking up any perceived perfect set and allowing it to move, the more natural shape, body, and effortless charm it develops. This hands-on intuitive approach ensures your hair looks organically voluminous and incredibly touchable, never rigidly stuck, giving you a style that lasts and can be easily re-finger styled throughout the day without losing its foundational lift. For those seeking an extra layer of control and defined styling, especially around the face where thin hair often falls limp, incorporating the right hair wax can be an absolute game changer. But you must choose wisely. You are specifically looking for a matte finish wax, not a high shine product. The key phrases to hunt for on the label are low or no shine and high hold. This powerful combination ensures maximum control without the dreaded greasiness or weighty feel that can instantly flatten fine hair. Start with a tiny pea-sized amount. Truly a little goes a very long way. Rub it thoroughly and evenly between your palms until it's warmed and thinly distributed across your hands. Here's a critical application tip. Avoid applying it directly to the front of your hair first. Instead, start by working the wax into the back of your hair, where you generally have the most strands. This helps to offload the majority of the product. Then, with the minimal residue remaining on your hands, gently comb through the very front sections with your fingers. You will immediately notice a newfound ability to sculpt and control those often stubborn pieces, expertly holding them off your face or defining specific strands without making your hair look stiff or oily. This technique grants you incredible styling freedom and beautiful natural movement. Finally, for anyone dealing with particularly sparse or thinning areas, especially along the hairline, there's an incredible secret weapon: hair fibers. These discrete, temporary fibers can instantly create the illusion of much denser hair exactly where you need it most. Simply sprinkle them directly onto those areas where your scalp might be showing through, and you'll immediately see the area appear significantly fuller and thicker, blending seamlessly and naturally with your existing hair. The true beauty of these fibers lies in their utterly natural appearance. Once applied, it's virtually undetectable that you're wearing anything at all. They won't easily rub off on your fingers or leave any unsightly mess. And best of all, they rinse out effortlessly with your next shampoo, leaving absolutely no residue or long-term commitment. It's a quick, simple solution that can significantly boost your confidence, providing that extra bit of visual density precisely where it counts the most. Together, these powerful and detailed techniques create a comprehensive three-part system for truly transforming thin, fine hair. You start by nurturing and meticulously preparing the hair with correct product application. Then master the styling process to create beautiful volume and density in all the right places. And finally, for those moments when you desire an extra touch of visual coverage, you can incorporate temporary hair fibers. The cumulative result? Hair that looks a staggering 10 times thicker, boasting gorgeous volume in the most flattering areas, and radiating a much more youthful and vibrant appearance. I genuinely hope these hacks empower you to love your hair more than ever before. A massive thank you to Lifeyen for generously sponsoring this video and for providing such incredible styling tools. If you're curious to learn more about their exceptional dryer and experience the undeniable difference for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the description and the pinned comment below. You can even save an unconditional $13 off your purchase by using the special code JUSTIN13. Seriously, you are absolutely going to adore it. And hey, for even more hair wisdom and transformative tips, don't go anywhere just yet. There's another fantastic video waiting for you right here to continue your hair journey. See you there.